Prepare to be floored at Coverings 2023. Coverings, taking place April 18th through the 21st in Orlando, boasts the largest and most impressive display of tile and stone in North America. It is an unprecedented opportunity to learn new tips and techniques from the pros, improve your competitive edge, and see what's next in tile and stone. The National Tile Contractors Association will be demonstrating many techniques. Here is a quick summary of the topics you can learn. Tuesday, April 18th, 10 a.m. Be a prepper, exterior substrate prep. Join the NTCA training team as they discuss the importance of substrate preparation on exterior installations and demonstrate the use of different materials to bring surfaces into tolerance. At 3:40 p.m., put yourself on a pedestal, using pedestal systems for exterior installations. Pamper yourself while the NTCA training team demonstrates how to use pedestals in actual installations and discuss the benefits of these types of installations in contrast to some adhered installations. Wednesday, April 19th, 11 a.m. Party on, exterior deck systems. Bring your drink and raise the roof while the NTCA training team demonstrates a variety of industry-approved installation methods for exterior deck systems. At 3:10 p.m., Struck Like, exterior bond coats. Hang on tight as the NTCA training team demonstrates and discusses a variety of materials and techniques to assure adhesion to tile to a variety of substrates in exterior settings. Thursday, April 20th at 10 a.m. Whole lot of shaking going on. Exterior movement accommodation in tile assemblies. Expand your knowledge as the NTCA training team teaches the correct installation of movement accommodation joints while using a variety of materials to ensure success. 1:30 p.m. Is it a fair fight? Miami Sandwich versus Wet Set Method, ANSI A108.1a. Watch as the NTCA trainers square off with two different installation techniques. Find out who comes out ahead and when these two techniques are demonstrated. 3:20 p.m. Moving on up, exterior wall installations. Go vertical with the NTCA training team as they discuss and demonstrate industry-recognized wall installations on exteriors. Remember, before it's trending, it's at Coverings 2023. We hope to see you soon, April 18th through the 21st in Orlando.